Thanks for checking out this Amcast AI Games review. My name is Charles Draven from InfoSpike, and what I do in my channel is that I provide a lot of tips, tools, reviews, and provide you with my insights from doing business online for over a decade. So hopefully you gain some value from this. You get a better idea of what Amcast AI Games is all about. So let's go ahead and get started. So what is this? It's a 3-day live event. It teaches you how to use AI in your business. It's created by Chris Munch and Cruz. It helps you work less and profit big time. So what will you learn? Big thing here is to automate your business. Discover how you can get free traffic, find out how to use AI like a team of experts, learn how to make a killing with AI. Who is it for? It's for people with online stores. It's also for agencies and vendors. If you have a product to promote, this is for you. If you want to hit big time, I would say go ahead and check it out. Who's it not for? If you are extremely lazy, even though this has a bunch of automation involved using AI, it is not a get rich quick scheme. And I think that's where people will try out these products or ideas, especially with automation, thinking that, wow, I could use this tool, this software, AI, to make all the money for me and I don't have to do any work. Yeah, it's true. You don't have to do a lot of work, but you still have to work the system. And so you have to work it to reap the benefits. This is not for those who think AI is just a fad or just want the easy way to make money. Because doing business, I'll just let you know, it's not super easy. And Chris Munch, he shares his AI story. He learned that many AI tools are just tricks. He found a way to use AI to grow any business, and he will teach you how to do that. So that's actually a very big thing. Chris Munch has been around for a long time, very reputable guy in the online marketing space. And this program covers AI tools. It focuses on things that you can do right away. It's good for beginners. It can help you make bank with AI. It might be too much information at once, especially if you're just getting started. This is just one of the cons. AI, it might be something that people think is scary, whether it's something that takes away people's jobs or it's like the Terminator. It's going to bring about some Skynet war or something like that, whatever. It takes effort to use this tool. You got to realize that we're in this phase in our careers, our way of living to be able to make money. And AI is just a tool. And it's up to you whether or not you want to utilize this tool or not, or be left behind in the dust. And others will take advantage of it if you don't. So keep that in mind. There's no promise, though, that you're going to strike it big. It's totally up to you to make it work. So keep that in mind. AI still needs some human interaction. And that's what this whole thing about Amcast AI Games is all about. So if you are interested in making money online, whether it's through Amcast, promoting high ticket offers, you're into making money even while you sleep, this is something I put together. It's a simple way to generate income online. Check out a free PDF. I'll be able to provide that to you. Click the link in my description to get started today. This is Charles Draven. If you are watching this from YouTube, just go to the description, like and subscribe. And if you are watching this through a blog post or article, I'll provide you with a link as well. So that's all for today. Again, this is my Amcast AI review from Charles Draven. Thanks for watching.